Hi guys, how you doing? I'm pretty sure you might be asking where am I shooting from the car today, but I just wanted a change in environment for you guys so that you don't feel like we're kind of being monotonous with like the environment we are shooting in. And today I'm here alone, because I wanted to give you a small tutorial on how to buy cheaper shoes stroke clothes online. Yeah, and I think it's a pretty good thing for you to own a couple of clothes that you just forget that they actually do exist, but they're there, yeah? And when you remember them, you just rock them and you look so cool. And shoes, to be exact. Like, I'm a huge fanatic of shoes. I don't even know, like, it's like a thing that I think every kind of guy out there has about shoes, yeah? It's like a kind of relationship that is, it's like an entanglement, yeah? I don't know why I've just used that word, but like, yeah, it's an entanglement. There are two sites that I feel like every person out there should be knowing and should buy their stuff from there. Like, there are two that I'm going to be recommending today, yeah? Asos, Boohooman, nothing else. I'm going to add in a few, like one site like Sports Direct and everything. I feel like they have pretty quality stuff that is very affordable, yeah, when you think about it. It's like, because you look at things from like Super Dry and then Sports Direct and it's not as cool as you think it would be. And I feel like if you think about your budget and the stuff that you want to buy, and then if you consider buying from sites like this, you get more cheaper things that are quality and are everything, yeah? So Boohooman, SOH, Sports Direct are the sites that you have to go to. And one trick that I've discovered, most of the times when people open up these sites, they forget to subscribe to their newsletter, because when you subscribe using your Gmail or any other kind of email that you have, you get discounts on their products. You get an exclusive access to like things that they're dropping soon and stuff like that. I wasn't much of a person who used to buy stuff online, but because of the pandemic and everything that happened, so I had to change ways to like buy stuff or get stuff, yeah. And I found myself that these sites normally send out a couple of discounts. They send out 70% off, 30% off without knowing. You just have to like keep on looking under the promotions tab on your email. They send most of that stuff there. If you have the money, you just go on and then type in your size, the shoes that you want, or the clothes that you want, and then you just go ahead and hit buy. And then you just sit back, relax, and then just wait a few days. For guys that live in the UK or US, within 3 days or even 24 hours, the stuff is delivered at your doorstep, and you get to rock it. For guys that are staying down here in UG, you can use services like RMX Shop and Ship or DH or any other thing that you think is pretty affordable to you to get this stuff to you. So I feel like you need to be rocking things that are pretty authentic, yeah? So let's get down to setting your preferences within a site on how to like find cheaper clothes, going to like the most expensive ones, yeah? Most expensive, cheaper, expensive. Once again, do not forget to subscribe, yeah? If you've gotten this far, I feel like you need to subscribe. If you haven't, yeah, hit the button. It's just down here. So going ahead, let's dive into the tutorial on how to buy cheaper clothes, shoes. So guys, you're going to go to your Google, type in Boohooman, press enter, tap on the first link. It loads, but normally what you should do is when you get to this page, you have to select what you want to buy. So if you're in the market on the website this time and you're looking for clothing, you can choose whatever. It depends on what you want to buy, but I'm going to use an example of t-shirts today. So normally what people do, they leave this and then they just go ahead and buy, but if you take an extra step and sort this to prices that range from low to high, yeah, you find yourself with lots of cool cheap stuff that you can choose from, and they're pretty good because I own a couple of t-shirts from this particular page, from like this the basic chronic and stuff like that, for like people that don't want over the top. They've done a couple of so go ahead and scroll down and find what you like. You can see, so so you can go ahead and scroll and you find what fits your liking. So you find what you like. You let's use an example of this. Yeah, you select your sizes from here. You can see this basic chronic pocket t-shirt is for almost £4, so it's 3.75, 25% off. So for students, you normally get like 30% off. You can go ahead and select your sizes. If you don't know your size, you can use this to find your size. They ask you for these questions, fill in each and everything, your height, your weight, and then they will determine your size. Another thing that you shouldn't forget is that if you're new to the site, make sure you come here, down here, all the way all the way down, then type your email and then submit. You're going to be getting exclusive offers and updates on discounts and everything whenever they update the site with like new clothes and everything. They normally update. They normally send you when they're doing like a 50% off or 30% off on their clothes. So yeah, this is like one of the cheaper ways, okay, where you can get cheaper clothes that are quality. So yeah, as you can see down here. So moving on from Boohooman to Asos, yeah. For Asos, type Asos. Then tap on the first link, any link that has Asos. You can change countries from here, depends on where you want to buy from. So right now it's set to Uganda because that's where I am right now, but you can set to UK. They have they ship worldwide, internationally. So and if you're new to the site, you get 50% off everything with this code. So you load it in when you're done into your cart. So right now I'm going to shop for men, but if you want women and if you're a man, you can go for women. So I'm going to go ahead and select. They have everything from men, ranging from clothes, shoes, accessories, activewear, face and body. Then if you want to like buy using like brands, you can select here. They have a list of brands you can choose from: Nike, Puma, Pull and Bear, Reclaim Vintage, the North Face, Topman, everything. So I'm going to use an example of clothes still. So this time around, let us use loungewear. And still this is going to pop up, and don't just click this X, type in your email address and then what you're interested in. If it's women's wear, choose women's wear. If it's menswear, choose menswear, and then sign up. That way you're going to be guaranteed that you're going to be receiving emails of products, discount, and everything from them. They have, I feel like every man or woman should be buying from this site because I feel like they have a variety of things ranging from like the highest quality to cheaper, some all the way in between. So type in your email and then sign me up, then you proceed with everything. Here, still do not forget to go and sort then from low to high. Start from low to high, going all the way down. You can see these are for £10. Right now we're in loungewear, so you can go all the way down to find whatever suits your liking, and then you buy exactly that. So yeah, I hope this was helpful, and as you can see, you can go ahead, and I'm going to tap this these lounge shorts. Then you can select the sizes. Most of the times, if they're not available, they'll show you not available. If you've signed in, you can set a reminder. They can remind you when these things are in stock the next time. But the sizes are here. You can find the sizes that you. Right now, down here they have a description of what the product code, of what the model's height, size, and fit. Then down here they have what they think you might like and stuff like that. As you can see, they're pretty affordable. So this is £12. Yeah. So yeah, I think these are the top 2 sites that I think have everything that a man or woman would need, and they're very affordable, and you can choose everything. You can find whatever you want. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Please do subscribe if you haven't. And then for the guys that are subscribed, thank you for being here. I'm very grateful that you're still here with me. So till next time, I hope you enjoy buying clothes as I do. So yeah, bye.